Today we will discuss about global marketing research. This is for MBA 4 semesters marketing students. Global marketing research is being related to the global aspects. If a company became global in its status, then it would like to know how to streamline, how to strengthen, and how to keep growth intact at the global scale. A global company believes to be more and more in standardization. All the operations belonging to the standard level. Now, at such a big scale, if company has to manage its 4Ps at global level, and so it will have to continuously go for the research at global level. Now today we have got many brands which are flourishing at global market. Now without the support of global marketing research, they cannot really get the pulse of their customers. So at global level, the customers mindset and the product strategy is also very challenging. So the marketeers always have to rely on global marketing data and global marketing findings so that they can keep their smooth operations at global level. After globalization, more and more change has came in the strategy of the companies. Now they are taking more the global level into one particular unique and in a one particularly challenging manner. So when we say about global marketing research, the steps are as follows. We need to define the research problem first. What exactly the research problem is, that we again go through with the help of our research definition, as well as we go for defining our research problem through the backdrop of research and the review of the literature and the documents. Once that research problem is being decided, for an example, global branding or the new initiative for global advertising or any other P of the global marketing. We can also have a research area in global consumers mindset as well as global consumer behavior. So there can be various aspects of global marketing research. After research problem, then we work out our research objectives, and after research objectives, we define the research methods, and after defining the research methods, we try to initiate that how we can go this global data. So today we are blessed with best of techniques and gadgets, and we have got various social platforms. The situations are not that much difficult. Earlier we have got a very physical data collection problems from different countries. So we now have got those measures. Implementation is quite easier. After that, we define our sample size. Globally, this is a challenging task because to country to country, the variation exists from culture to everything. But then we take a confined as well as a wide base of our consumer data, and then we go for sampling all those. After that, we collect that data, we record the data, we analyze that data, and then we come out with the findings, and then we prepare the research report. So in that way, the global marketing research. The various example we can get it on AC Nielsen and other research agencies who keep on working for various companies. Companies are much more interested to know today more than 4 P's. The more than 4 P's are there: the process, the physical evidences, and the packaging, as well as the people. So in that way, globally, these operations have to really scale up. Successful brands like Coca-Cola, Pepsi, Toyota, Amazon, they all have just been working with these research aspects. And the new field which is emerging today is a big data analysis, which is also helpful to decide our course of action at global marketing level. Thank you very much. If you got any doubt, you can call back to me on my number.